Hi, my name is Josh Dickenson and I'm one of the business intelligence consultants here at Scope Systems. At Scope Systems, we support 3 business intelligence tools. They are QlikView, IBM Cognos, and Power BI. So the first tool I'll walk you through is Cognos. Cognos is an optimal tool to consume transactional data out of Pronto. Anything from financial statements, creditor or debtor transactions, purchasing summaries, and even inventory valuations. With dozens of out-of-the-box reports already built into Cognos, and the ability to create your own reports, the possibilities are really endless. Data from Pronto is updated in Cognos instantly, and as a result, any report, visualization, or dashboard run out of Cognos will be live. There is no need to wait for your data to refresh. Our Cognos reports allow you to change the way the information in the report is displayed on the fly. This is great if you want to move between different financial periods, change how the report is ordered, and even show a more detailed view with the click of a button. Cognos reports integrate seamlessly with Pronto, allowing you to drill back from a Cognos report straight back into Pronto. The reports can also run as a PDF or Excel document without losing any of the drillback functionality. Cognos' integration with Pronto also gives you the ability to create shortcuts to any report via the Pronto menu. This allows easy integration of Cognos reporting capabilities into your business workflows. This functionality also allows you to embed any report or dashboard directly into the background pane of Pronto, providing a quick snapshot of your business activities as soon as you log into Pronto. These dashboards in Cognos include great functionality like dynamic filtering, a user-friendly drag and drop interface, and a wide range of visualizations. Like the Cognos reports, the dashboards run off live data and are great for displaying data from a single dataset. The best part, Cognos' dashboarding tool is included with Cognos in Pronto version 750 and above. There is no additional license requirement. QlikView is the first BI solution that we at Scope Systems implemented and is one of the foundations that modern BI solutions are built on today. QlikView supports great functionality like dynamic filtering, data exports to Excel, dozens of out-of-the-box visualizations, and powerful customization options. QlikView is a great solution for companies looking to consolidate Pronto data and produce not only financial consolidation reports like TBs, balance sheets, or P&Ls, but also consolidated transaction reports such as inventory or purchasing summaries. We have a collection of out-of-the-box dashboards ready to go, covering everything you may need, including AP and AR, fixed assets, financials, inventory, projects, purchasing, and sales, all available to you at the click of a button through a handy web portal. Through this web portal, you can also create custom views of these reports to meet your individual reporting requirements. We can also create bespoke custom dashboards to meet the needs of your business. Some dashboards we have created in the past include formatted financials for management reports, mining physicals, OH&S, and resourcing. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool that we support here at Scope Systems. Power BI's functionality is centered around producing interactive visualizations from multiple data sources, including consolidated data. Power BI supports your standard business intelligence functionality like row-level security, dynamic filtering, the ability to drill down and drill through data, and a wide range of visualizations. But it also supports some of the more advanced functionality like machine learning analytics models, the ability to use R and Python visuals and scripts, and inbuilt intuitive analytics. Because published Power BI reports are cloud-based, they can be accessed anywhere, anytime, on a desktop, mobile, or tablet just with your Microsoft credentials. They can even be embedded into the Pronto background pane, like this example. We also have a wide variety of Power BI reports ready to go, These are already set up to run with your Pronto data and are consistently being improved on. These reports can also be set up to retrieve information from your existing data sources, including data warehouses. So for more information on these business intelligence tools, get in touch with your account manager and find out how we can help you get started on your business intelligence journey.